Welcome to the Rocket of Light show. I'm your host, Aidan Marshall. And today, I will show you how this rocket can go. My hypothesis is the more pressure I put into the rocket, the farther it will go.
Okay, Aidan, can you tell me a little bit about your rocket? Can you show it to me?
This is the base, and this is the pressure I put into the rocket.
So that's a foot pedal.
This is the tube that goes all the way down into here, and then this goes into the rocket to more pressure. It has a top, some fins, and a body. Test one, I'll do soft pressure.
Did it go very far?
No. Test two. Whoa! It went farther than the soft one. All right, next is the launch. Here we go. This is the real thing.
Okay, let me move.
You're gonna be so excited. Ready for launch in 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Whoa!
It went that farther. And that was the Rocket of Light show.
Woo!
Thank you for watching. This is Aidan Marshall. Thank you.
Yeah.